Hey cruisers, ever dream of a fantastic cruise vacation but dread the thought of breaking the bank? Cruising can definitely be expensive, but it absolutely doesn't have to be. If you're looking for how to save money on a cruise, budget cruise tips, or the best cruise deals and discounts, then you found the right video. Today, we're revealing 8 clever ways smart cruisers save money and ensure they don't pay full price for their dream vacation. Get ready to cruise like a maniac without emptying your wallet. Let's dive in. First up, let's tackle the infamous drink package dilemma. This is where many cruisers accidentally walk away from their budget. Smart cruisers don't just blindly buy the drink package. They do the math. Consider your actual drinking habits. Do you really drink enough alcoholic beverages, specialty coffees, and bottled waters every single day to make it worth the hefty daily price? Often, it's cheaper to buy drinks a la carte, especially if you're not a heavy drinker or if you plan to spend a lot of time off the ship in port. And here's a pro tip. Most cruise lines allow you to bring a certain amount of non-alcoholic beverages on board, like sodas or bottled water, and often 1 or 2 bottles of wine or champagne per person. Check your cruise line's specific policy. Budget buster warning. Don't just walk away from your budget by signing up for a drink package you won't fully utilize. Calculate your potential daily consumption versus the package cost. Sometimes, skipping it entirely or just buying a soda package is the smarter move. Next, let's talk about internet and connectivity. Don't pay exorbitant onboard internet fees. Ship Wi-Fi can be incredibly expensive and often frustratingly slow. Smart cruisers know there are better ways to stay connected without breaking the bank. Before you sail, download any movies, shows, or books you want to enjoy offline. Use offline map apps for port days. When you're in port, consider purchasing a local SIM card or an eSIM for your phone. These are often very affordable and provide much faster, more reliable data than ship Wi-Fi. Many ports also have free Wi-Fi hotspots in cafes or public areas. Budget buster warning. Resist the urge to buy the most expensive internet package unless you absolutely need constant high-speed connectivity for work. For casual browsing and checking in, waiting until you're in port or using free Wi-Fi can save you hundreds of dollars. Moving on to specialty dining savings. Smart cruisers know how to enjoy gourmet meals without the gourmet price tag. While the main dining room and buffet are included, those specialty restaurants can be a tempting splurge. Here's the secret. Many specialty restaurants offer significantly cheaper lunch menus compared to their dinner prices. It's the same amazing food, often with a slightly smaller menu, but at a fraction of the cost. Also, look for dining packages if you plan to visit multiple specialty venues. Booking early, sometimes even pre-cruise, can also unlock discounts. Budget buster warning. Don't feel pressured to eat at a specialty restaurant every night. The main dining room offers fantastic food and service, and it's already included. If you do splurge, make it count, and always check for those lunch deals first. Next, let's talk about onboard shopping secrets. Don't get banned from your budget by impulse shopping. Cruise ships are designed to entice you with duty-free shops, art auctions, and tempting sales. Smart cruisers know that duty-free doesn't always mean best price. Often you can find better deals on souvenirs, jewelry, or even liquor in port, especially if you're willing to haggle a little. Do your research before you buy. Know the typical prices for items you're interested in. Budget buster warning. Avoid impulse buys, especially on the first day. Take your time, compare prices, and ask yourself if you truly need that item. Remember, anything you buy on board gets added to your ship account, and those charges can add up quickly. Moving on to laundry hacks. Smart cruisers avoid expensive laundry services. Sending your clothes out for washing and pressing on a cruise ship can be incredibly costly, especially for a longer voyage. The best hack? Pack light and utilize the self-service laundry rooms available on many ships. A small bag of detergent pods and some dryer sheets can save you a fortune. If your ship doesn't have self-service laundry, consider packing quick-drying fabrics and doing a little hand washing in your cabin sink. Budget buster warning. Don't let dirty clothes eat into your vacation budget. A little planning with your packing or a quick trip to the self-service laundry can keep your clothes fresh and your wallet happy. Next, let's talk about spa and salon savings. Don't pay full price for pampering. Onboard spas and salons offer tempting treatments, but they come with a premium price tag. Smart cruisers know when to indulge. Look for special deals on port days when many passengers are off the ship. This is often when spas offer discounts to fill their appointment books. Also, check for packages or promotions offered earlier in the cruise or during off-peak hours. Sometimes booking a treatment for embarkation day or a sea day morning can be cheaper. Budget Buster warning. While a massage sounds amazing, consider if you can get a similar experience for less in port, or if you truly need that full-price treatment. A little self-care can be budget-friendly if you time it right. Now for a big one. Loyalty programs. Smart cruisers get rewarded for their loyalty. If you plan to cruise with the same line multiple times, make sure you're signed up for their loyalty program. These programs offer incredible perks as you accumulate points, from discounts on future cruises, priority boarding, free laundry, complimentary drinks, and even free internet packages. The higher your status, the more you save. It literally pays to be loyal. Budget Buster warning. Don't miss out on freebies and discounts just because you haven't signed up or tracked your points. Every cruise counts towards your status, so make sure you're getting credit for every sailing. Finally, let's talk about future cruise credits. Don't walk away from future savings. This is one of the best-kept secrets for saving money on your next cruise. While you're on board, visit the Future Cruise Sales Desk. Many cruise lines offer exclusive incentives to book your next cruise while you're still sailing. These can include reduced deposits, onboard credit for your next trip, or even discounted fares that aren't available once you're back home. Budget Buster warning. If you know you'll be cruising again, even if you don't have exact dates, putting down a small, often refundable deposit for a future cruise credit can lock in significant savings and perks for your next adventure. Don't walk away from those easy future discounts. So there you have it, 8 ultimate ways smart cruisers save money and ensure they don't pay full price for their dream vacation. From doing the math on drink packages to leveraging loyalty and booking future cruises on board, you're now armed with the knowledge to save big on your next adventure. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And don't forget to subscribe for more cruise tips and tricks to help you cruise like a maniac.